AI anime is popular but difficult to get right. Here is how Kai handles the process using his technical tips.
Vidu Q3 is a game changer. Today, I'm giving you my exact prompting guide to master Q3 and lock in your style. Let's go. Vidu Q3 is finally here and can compete with seedance at a much lower price. By the way, I'm Kai, and I'm happy to see you. Welcome back. Today we are exploring Vidu, a high-performance, cost-effective AI platform. Vidu features a comprehensive suite of tools and ready-to-use pre-built references. But what exactly is Vidu Q3? It's designed to compete directly with Kling and seedance. So let's put it to the test and see how it performs.
Time is an unopened gift. Until you lift the paper, you can't know whether it holds bitterness or sweetness.
Welcome to a world beyond imagination. Wake up.
Vidu Q3 introduces multi-shot support, positioning it as a more accessible alternative to seedance and Kling. The interface simplifies the process of defining multiple shots within a single generation. We'll now compare its ease of use and output quality against its primary competitors. Vidu Q3's Smart Cuts feature allows for automated scene and shot definition. The model intelligently selects the optimal camera angles and transition timing based on your input. Simply define the time steps for each shot, and the system will execute the smart cuts at each interval. Let's review the output.
This is where my story starts. Story starts.
The voice quality in Vidu Q3 is much better now. It can also create a full atmosphere by adding sound effects and background music that match your video. Everything, the video, the music, and the sound, is generated at the same time from your prompt. Next, let's talk about camera motion. Vidu Q3 can easily handle difficult camera moves for a full 16 seconds. It keeps the motion smooth and consistent for the entire clip, making it simple to create long, cinematic shots without any glitches. Lastly, we have conversation and narrative capabilities. Vidu Q3 excels at generating story-driven clips with high temporal consistency. It accurately manages dialogue sequences and character stability, making it a reliable tool for complex storytelling without the risk of visual drifting.
Are we just killing time?
Maybe, but at least we're doing it together.
The RefHub tab offers various pre-made templates for quick setup, but today we're testing the limits of Vidu Q3. Achieving character and environmental consistency in anime is a significant challenge, and we're evaluating if Q3 can deliver at less than half the cost of Seedance 2. Step 1 is character definition. We'll start by heading over to the image generation page. Vidu Platform Image Generation supports the newest ChatGPT and Nano Banana models. The models are ready, but we still need characters and prompts, right? I am using Claude for this part. I trained Claude to know exactly how Vidu Q3 works, so I can just give it a story, and it will write all the prompts for me. It's like having a personal assistant for the project. I manually review and approve each prompt before Claude proceeds to the subsequent stage. This iterative, step-by-step process optimizes Claude's performance and ensures maximum efficiency throughout the automation. With the prompts generated, we'll move to the platform for execution. I will be testing both ChatGPT and Nano Banana models side by side to determine which one provides superior image quality. The outputs are comparable, though an oversight in the prompt meant the aspect ratio wasn't optimized for either Nano Banana or ChatGPT. A notable drawback with the ChatGPT results was the inclusion of unwanted text overlays. However, regarding raw image quality, both models performed at a high level. I generated a series of multi-angle references to ensure full character consistency. When evaluating the results, I found the ChatGPT output for facial details to be superior to the Nano Banana generation. I then moved the environment prompts from Claude to the generation platform. These steps are LLM agnostic, meaning you can use any alternative model to produce the required prompts for the workflow. Navigate to My Assets, then References, and create a new entry to upload your character and environment images for guaranteed consistency. At this stage, you can also assign voiceover references. This is a standout feature, as the system generates audio that matches your reference files.
テキストを入力するだけでスムーズなオーディオを簡単に生成し
Welcome to text-to-speech. Enter text to easily generate.
When the upload is complete, click Next to proceed and save the reference to your assets. This finalizes the setup for consistent character and environment mapping. If you check the references again, you will see the new ones are there. Everything is added and ready for you to use. Next, I reached back out to Claude and asked it to create my next prompt, making sure to include the specific references this time. Once I had the prompt, I copied and pasted it into the platform. To actually link the references, I just typed the @ symbol to call up the menu and replaced the placeholders with the actual character and reference names. The results are ready, but I realized I missed a step. I forgot to add the environment. I'm going back to the References tab to directly add the assets for my environments. Once that's set, I'll call them up in the prompt section using the same method, placing the reference tag immediately after the environment description. Now just notice the impact of utilizing a single reference asset. Although the lighting parameters were specified within the prompt, the environment accurately maintains the visual characteristics of our uploaded reference image. Now, let's switch to the Image to Video tab. We'll upload our primary image as start frame and initiate the generation. For this test, I am omitting a text prompt to evaluate Vidu Q3's native motion interpolation. Let's analyze the output. Noticing the short duration and bad music of the previous clip, I used Claude to extend the length of the next generation. I also adjusted the parameters to remove the background music, opting instead for a native voice track and ambient sound effects. I did the same thing again, but I added a prompt this time. You might wonder how to use references with the Image to Video tool. I'm going to show you how to use both images and references at the same time in the next steps. Now, let's look at the result. There are a few other tools I should mention. First is Video Edit. You can simply give Vidu a prompt to change things in your video. It's a fast way to edit your clips just by typing what you want to see. The platform also features a cost-effective upscale tool for enhancing video clarity. It even includes a frame extraction feature that allows you to capture precise, high-quality stills directly from your footage. Integrating these with the Video Extend option is a highly effective way to increase your clip duration while maintaining perfect visual fidelity throughout. Now, how do you use both an image and a reference together? To combine images with references, I begin by copying the Claude-generated prompt and uploading the source image. I then replace the placeholders for the character and environment with the actual reference assets. After selecting the desired clip duration, the setup is complete and ready for generation. Now, let's take a look at the result. You remember how we extracted those frames? Now I am adding the extracted one to the reference to video and telling it to start from that image. Then I replace the placeholders with my references just like before, but I'll skip showing that part and just show you the result. For our final step, we'll explore the Extender tool located in the left sidebar menu. Within the Extend page, you can choose whether to incorporate an end frame to guide the sequence. Generally, when an end frame is utilized, omitting a text prompt yields better results. However, both methods are viable. I have generated comparisons of both techniques, with and without prompts, so you can evaluate the outputs and choose your preferred workflow. We will begin by reviewing the version generated without a text prompt. And now, let's see the one that includes prompting. Comment below and let me know which version you prefer. The Vidu platform offers several great plans at very competitive prices. In fact, the Q3 model is less than half the cost of Seedance 2. Plus, the Ultimate plan features a free off-peak mode that allows you to submit up to 200 videos per day without using your credits. That's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.